This video will show you how to replace the sash in a D-Series wood slide-by window. First, unlock the sash and slide it to the center of the window unit. Grip firmly on both sides of the interior sash and lift it up and over the lower sill track towards the interior to remove it. Repeat this process for the exterior sash. To reinstall the sash, insert the top of the exterior sash into the head track. Lift and swing the bottom of the sash into the sill track. Slide the exterior sash out of the way and repeat this process for the interior sash. Finally, test for proper operation. For additional information and complete written instructions for tasks depicted in this video, visit www.JELD-WEN.com, or if you have questions, call us at 1-800-JELD-WEN.